Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the Pelipecky application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the flights button down below, which is the second option. Select the type of trip, return, one way or different return, then select your departure point. After that, select your destination. Then select the departure date and the return date, the class, economy or business, and the number of passengers. Then click on the find flight button to find the available flight options. So you can apply filters at the top if you would like to narrow down your search, and the available flights will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.